Welcome to my channel. I will show you the ways to check your Samsung A57 battery health and determine if it's time to replace it. If in case you don't happen to have that feature which I am showing in the video, then there will be a title card at the end. Clicking on it, you can find out how to add it.